Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide on how to check if iPhone battery has been boosted. Let's dive right in. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find the battery option, and then tap on it. On the next page, tap on the Battery Health option. On the Battery Health page, you'll see Maximum Capacity. This number indicates the overall health of your battery. A normal, healthy iPhone battery should ideally have a maximum capacity of around 100%. Anything significantly higher might suggest that the battery has been boosted or replaced. Also, in Battery Health, check Peak Performance Capability. This shows if your iPhone can still perform at peak performance. If your iPhone's battery maximum capacity is unusually high or if the peak performance capability indicates degraded performance, could be a sign that the battery has been boosted or replaced. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.